This is my audience.
Okay. The organization I picked to convince you guys to support is Planned Parenthood. Planned Parenthood is very important this day and age because of the recent happenings with Roe versus Wade. Roe versus Wade was established by the Supreme Court in 1973, and it ruled that the right to an abortion is protected by the 14th Amendment. First trimester abortions were up to the woman. Second trimester abortions were regulated by the government but could not be banned, and third trimester abortions were up to the state. And recently, there was an overturn of Roe versus Wade, and it happened on June 24th, 2022. And what this means is that states can outlaw abortion completely, and states can severely restrict abortions at any trimester of the pregnancy. And here is a map of all of the states that have already banned abortion, ones that are expected to, and ones that will continue to support abortion laws. And how will this overturn affect Planned Parenthood? Possibility of Planned Parenthoods being shut down in red states. There's less funding, which means less health care from Planned Parenthood, and there will also be more frequent pro-life protests outside of these abortion clinics and outside of Planned Parenthoods. And when you hear Planned Parenthood, people automatically think of abortions, but the reality is, according to the 2020 Planned Parenthood annual report, is only 3% of the services performed at Planned Parenthood are actually abortions, which is about 350,000 services out of 10 million. And right here is a chart, and that's the 3%. There's many purposes of abortions, and according to Human Life Internationals, abortions can be performed to save the life of the mother, preserve the mental health of the mother, in cases of rape, incest, fetal birth defects, and they're also performed for social and economic reasons. There's multiple services offered by Planned Parenthood other than abortions. According to the 2020 Planned Parenthood annual report, some of these services are STI treatment and testing, contraceptive services, cancer screenings and prevention, women's exams, pregnancy tests, prenatal services, miscarriage care, family practices services, adoption referral, and UTI treatments. And when it comes to cancer screenings, there was a Planned Parenthood patient named Diane Dunn, and she stated, "The only reason I'm here today is because of Planned Parenthood. There wasn't any other option I had." Diane Dunn was diagnosed with early breast cancer at a Planned Parenthood because it was the only place she could afford, and as she said, she claims that's the only reason she's here today. And according to the Cancer Research Foundation, the survival rate of distant stage breast cancer is 27%, and Planned Parenthood, if you continue to support it, which means there'll be more funding to mammograms, which can help catch more early onset cancers. And when it comes to STI treatment and testing, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention states that 1 in 5 people in the United States have an STI. And Jonathan Merriman, the director of CDC Center for STIs, states that curbing STDs will improve the overall health of the nation and prevent infertility, HIV, and infant deaths. The CDC also states that early prenatal care and STD testings are essential with each pregnancy to safeguard mothers and their babies from the dangers of syphilis. The CDC recommends syphilis testing for all pregnant women the first time they see a healthcare provider about their pregnancy. So Planned Parenthood can help with the STI treatment and testing, which can overall save the life of a baby, especially with the recent syphilis outbreak. And my call to action is asking you to support Planned Parenthood, and you can do this by spreading the word of the benefits of Planned Parenthood existing, or you can donate to Planned Parenthood on their website. And here's my works cited. Thank you.